Hey, what's up? It's your girl Kim Glass, and I'm back this week with the TRX beginner move of the week. The beginner move of the week is the TRX Chest Press. Let's go. Set your TRX straps at least 7 to 9 feet above the ground. For the TRX Chest Press, you want to make sure that your TRX straps are going to be fully lengthened. So, I'm going to fully lengthen these straps. For your position, unlike last week's exercise, you're going to stand facing away from the anchor point. Grab your handles with straight wrist. Take a step back towards the anchor point to set your plank. Shoulder tips and ankles should be in alignment, and make sure you brace your core and your ribs are tucked. Begin to lower your body down, pulling yourself to the bottom position, allowing your shoulder blades to move together, keeping your body still. In a plank position, drive your hands into the handles, maintaining your plank. Squeeze your chest and push back up to starting position. You can make this easier by moving your feet forward, or make it harder by moving your feet backward. So make sure you try the TRX Chest Press this week, and tune in next week for the TRX beginner move of the week.